it up like
What's up, y'all? It's Tay. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get this bomb burgundy color using Adore dye. This hair is previously blonde, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to get it to this. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the video. First, you're gonna want to go in with the Gossipy Freeze Spray, and you're gonna coat the lace a good 2 to 3 times. This prevents the lace from staining when you dip the hair into the dye. Then you're gonna want to blow dry it on cool for a couple seconds so it can dry before you dip the hair in the dye. I recommend using a bucket of some sort because the dye will stain your countertop or your sink if you're not careful. So you're gonna want to fill the bucket up a little bit more than halfway, depending on how big it is. And you don't have to boil the water. I see a lot of tutorials where people boil the water. As long as you see the steam coming out of the water, then it's hot enough. So today I'm gonna be using the colors Burgundy Envy, Rich Amber, and Jet Black. Here, I just swatched 2 of the colors on a paper towel. The first color is Burgundy Envy, which has more of a pinkish undertone, and the second color is Rich Amber, which is more like red. The first color I'm going in with is Rich Amber, and I'm using the whole bottle. After you dump the whole bottle in there, you want to use some sort of tool to mix it up. You don't want any clumps or anything. You don't want the color to be clumpy on the hair. So you want to mix it up thoroughly so there's no patches or anything. Now I'm going to dip a paper towel inside of the water to basically swatch and see what the color is. And it was like a reddish color, so now I'm going in with Burgundy Envy to give it more of a pinkish purplish undertone. As you can see, it has a bit more color compared to what it looked like before after I added the Burgundy Envy into the mix. Now I'm going in with a little bit of black. You don't want to put the whole thing in there because you don't want it to be too dark. You only need a little bit of black. And now this is the color that's going to show up on the hair once you dip the hair into the dye. Once you're done dyeing the hair, you're gonna want to wash it with shampoo. I use VO5 extra body shampoo. You can get this from CVS for probably like $2. After you're done washing it, you want to go in with conditioner. I use Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner. Oh my god, y'all, this is the best conditioner I've ever used, like on natural hair, weave, anything. It leaves the hair so silky. Y'all just need it. Just go get it. And this is the finished product. Y'all, look at it. Like, come on now. But I let it air dry. I did not use any blow dryer, no nothing. I let it air dry and then I flat ironed it. And this is how it looked. I love it so much. But if y'all haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next video.